Hi there, welcome to our workshop here in Fife, Scotland. We are Taran Guitars, and for the last 16 years we've been building bespoke instruments for clients all over the world. In this channel we wanted to take you behind the scenes and show you some of the process of building these instruments and also our creative process. We also want to share with you musicians playing instruments. If you'd like to join us along in the journey, please hit subscribe. We look forward to sharing it with you. Cheers!